Meaning of Eton.
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 Eden.
Eton. Eton is a proper noun with a few different meanings. Most commonly, it refers to the prestigious Eton College, a public boarding school for boys in England, established in 1440. The school has produced many notable alumni, including British prime ministers and members of the royal family. Eton can also refer to the town of Eton, which is adjacent to Windsor and home to the college. Additionally, Eton may be used as an adjective to describe something in the style or tradition of Eton College.